Accessibility is not just a good feature, but a requirement for an EdTech tool. We will demonstrate how to build an accessible board in PlayPosit and what the learner experience will be like. Instructors can add alternative text to the image they added to the interaction. Please type the alternative text in the image description section when uploading the image. The screen reader will be able to read out the alternative text the instructor input in this section, and it will also display to the learners if the image fails to load. Just like the image, instructors can add alternative text to the formula. Instructors can type the description text in the label section when creating a formula with the rich text editor. The screen reader will also read out this alternative text. When entering the text with the rich text editor, instructors can adjust the font size to make the text more accessible. Highlight the text, click on the triple dot icons, select Formats, and select Header. There are 3 different options to choose from. The other great accessibility tool is the Caption Editor. To add caption files to the video, click on the Video Segments tab on the top, select the video, and click on Captions. You can fetch the caption from a video source or upload a caption file. We will use the YouTube caption in this example. Select the desired caption and click on Download. Once completed, you can see this caption listed under the PlayPosit caption section. If the instructor wants to edit the caption file, please click on the file name and click on the pen icon to open the caption editor in a new window. Instructor can correct any typo or error in the caption with the caption editor. Once all set, click on Save Captions. Close the window to save the progress, and click on Done to complete importing the caption. Learners can toggle on and off captions when watching the board, and administrators can turn captions on as default for the entire institution by visiting the user profile, organization settings, and click on Set Caption Defaults. From the learner's perspective, they can easily navigate the PlayPosit player with a tab key. Pause and unpause the video playback with a spacebar or the Enter or Return key. And there are more hotkeys that allow learners to navigate in PlayPosit players without using a mouse. If the learner uses a screen reader, it will read out which button the learner selects.
Video controls, close sidebar, seek back 10
and it will tell the learner where the interaction is and what are the texts and alternative texts in the interaction.
Sidebar panel.
Sidebar interaction.
Isaac Newton is sitting under an apple tree when an apple falls on him. There's no evidence to suggest the fruit actually landed on Newton's head, but his observation caused him to ponder why apples always fall straight to the ground, rather than sideways or upward, and help inspired him to eventually develop his law of universal gravitation. Continue button. Video control, close sidebar.
Also, it will read out the question and the answer choices the learner is highlighting. Learner can select the answer choice by highlighting it with a tab key and press the spacebar to select it.
What will affect the force of gravity? Check all that apply.
Masses of the objects.
Distance between the objects. Color of the objects. Submit. What will affect the force of gravity? Correct. Correct.